Use the radar altimeter mode selected by pressing Ctrl A anytime you're flying in pattern. Entering the pattern, climb to 600 feet AGL upwind. Anywhere from 1 to 4 miles ahead of the ship, execute a 1.5 to 2G turn to a downwind heading. At this point, your airspeed should be 200 to 250 knots. Prepare for landing with gear, flaps, and hook down. The downwind leg should be flown 3 miles abeam of the ship. You should begin to slow to on speed as you pass the ship. Fly the downwind heading at 600 feet for 20 seconds, slowing to on speed. Then start your crosswind turn into the groove. Descent rate should be approximately 100 feet per minute. Remember, your heading in the groove will be 10 degrees left of the base recovery course. As your turn approaches the 90-degree position, the aircraft should be about 450 feet. Once past the 90, increase your rate of descent by dropping your velocity vector from 1 to 2 degrees down. At the 45, you should see about 450 feet per minute rate of descent. Roll out to intercept glide slope, on landing heading, on speed, with 700 to 800 foot per minute descent rate. Watch for the ball. As soon as you see it, start to correct to achieve a centered ball at 3/4 of a mile out. With the meatball in sight, call the ball by pressing Shift L. Fly into the groove, double check gear, flaps, and hook down. Fly the meatball, line up, and AOA to touchdown. If you have trouble entering the groove in reasonable shape to land, keep practicing. Carrier landings are very difficult to master. Try using the ILS as you turn into the crosswind. Once in the groove, transition to flying the ball.